Hey guys, Ultra Bliss here and welcome to Tutorial Tuesdays. If you've clicked on this video, it obviously means you're having the same issue I had before. So this is what happened. One day when I was listening to music on my JBL speaker, it just decided to start making noises. Crackling, irritating noises that aren't really the best noises you want to hear from your very expensive JBL speaker. So what I ended up doing was opening up my JBL speaker. This took some time because the first time around I wasn't too sure what I was doing. I was just opening up this JBL speaker hoping to come right first time around. It took some time to open and eventually I came right. I managed to open the JBL speaker. But just coming to realize that this thing is actually a lot more complicated than I thought. I came to realize that the issue was actually the speaker cable, the cable that connects to the actual driver coil. It took me some time to find this out because it's not that obvious. The driver coil, everything looks fine to the eye until you actually touch it. Then you realize the more you touch it, the better it performs or the worse it performs. So at the end of the day, what I had to do was try soldering it. I did that. As you can see, I tried as much as possible to try tinker with the soldering. I tried soldering. It seemed to work for like an hour or two. Then it'll just go back to normal. You can hear now me just playing some beats in the background, just trying to see how long it lasts and if it's a foolproof way. So after a long time of tinkering, I came to realize that the actual default cable that comes with the speaker had to be replaced because default cable kept snapping every time I soldered. What actually needed to be done now is that I needed to start looking for a replacement cable. I tried. It was really hard because I needed to find a cable that was flexible and could withstand a lot of vibration. The first cable I tried was a normal electronic cable from an electronic kit. I tried that cable. It seemed to work for literally 5 minutes, which I completely ruled out as unusable at that time. So I tried on a different cable, a different electronic cable, which seemed to withstand a bit more bass. This seemed to have fixed the problem, so I thought I was fine. It was good for about a week, and after that the cable started making rattling sounds again. So this was a bit annoying, and I decided to do a lot more research and see what kind of cable I would need to buy. I searched around eBay. I couldn't find the exact cable I wanted for a reasonable price. So it took me a while to think about it, but eventually I realized that the best cable that I can actually use is a cable from headphones. As you can imagine, headphones do actually go through a lot of bending, and the cable withstands a lot of that. So fortunately, because it's so small, I was able to actually execute the soldering easily compared to the other cable, which kept on touching the solder and burning out and having to try again. So after a while, I eventually came right soldering a headphone cable onto my driver coil and then onto my actual driver. This was the best thing I've ever done because this permanently fixed the issue. I went on for another 4 months using the JBL speaker, using super high loud volumes, and I never experienced the issue ever again. So if you're experiencing the same issue, I definitely recommend trying that first. So hope you come right with fixing your JBL speaker. I wish I could personally help you, but I can't because, yeah. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this, hope you got some knowledge out of this, and hope this will help you with whatever issue you have. So if you liked this, don't forget to leave a like and maybe leave a comment if you have a different suggestion, and also if you'd like, you can subscribe.